हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन चाइल्ड लेबर। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। चाइल्ड लेबर इज द एक्ट ऑफ एम्प्लॉइंग एंड engaging children in the economic activities like in the exploitative industry, illegal business, etc. on part-time or full-time basis. Child labor is a big social issue in our country as well as abroad, which everyone must be aware of. In Pakistan, a country where almost half of the population lives below the poverty line, child labor is deeply entrenched and pressing phenomenon. Child labor in Pakistan is prevalent in all sectors of the economy, though it primarily exists in the informal sector of employment and home-based industry. Pakistan high population growth of around 1.6 poses multiple challenges and threatens to constrain limited resources and social and economic development of the country. In Pakistan, children aged 5 to 14 are around 40 million. The survey conducted by UNICEF in 2003 estimated that 8 million children under the age of 14 are engaged as laborers. Most of them are engaged as laborers in brick lane factories, carpet weaving centers, agriculture, small industries, and domestic services. The survey also indicated that rural and urban ratio of child laborers was 7:1. The province with most number of cases of child labor was Punjab, with nearly 60% of the total child labor population. Child labor keeps a child away from all the benefits of the childhood, a happiest and memorable period of the life of everyone. It interferes with the ability of attending regular schools, which makes them socially dangerous and harmful citizens of the country. This illegal activity of the child labor is increasing day by day, even after lots of the rules and regulations against this by the government to completely prohibit the act of child labor. तो दोस्तों, ये था ऐसे ऑन चाइल्ड लेबर। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू।